Hello. Welcome to the post office. How are you today?
Hi, I am very good, thank you. I want to send this box.
I can help you with that. Is the box big or small?
It is a medium box. I have it here in my hands.
Great. Please put the box on the counter. I need to see it.
Okay, I am putting it down now. It is a bit heavy.
No problem. I am very strong today. I like my job.
That is good. I was worried about the weight.
My name is Sarah. What is your name?
My name is Tom. It is nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Tom. We are very friendly here.
I can see that. Your office is very bright and clean.
Yes, we like the big windows. The sun is very warm.
I agree with you. It is a beautiful day for work.
Do you live near here? I do not know your face.
No, this is my first time here. I usually go to a different office.
Well, welcome to our office. We are happy to see you.
Thank you, Sarah. I feel very good here.
That is wonderful. We love our customers very much.
I can tell you are a kind person. Everything is very fast.
We try to be fast. We send many letters every day.
My box is a secret gift. It is for my best friend.
I will keep your secret. The box is safe with me.
Thank you. You are a very professional worker.
You are welcome. Let us start now. Let us weigh the box. Please put it on the scale.
I am putting it on the scale. Is it okay?
Yes, the scale is ready. The screen shows the weight.
I see the red numbers. They are very big and bright.
The scale is very precise. It is never wrong.
What is the weight of the box?
It is exactly 2 kilograms. That is a good weight.
I'm happy to hear that. Is it expensive to send?
No, it is not very expensive. 2 kilograms is fine.
What do I need to do now?
I need to know what is inside. Is it food or clothes?
There are some new books. There is also a blue sweater.
Books are very good gifts. Your friend is lucky.
Yes, he loves to read. He reads every night.
Is the box closed well? We need some strong tape.
Yes, I used a lot of tape. It is very strong.
It looks very good. You are good at packing boxes.
Thank you. I want the books to stay safe.
I will be very careful. We love parcels here.
I feel very safe now. This is very easy.
Now I need to measure the box. I have a long ruler.
Is the box too long?
No, it is a normal box. It is perfect for our truck.
That is great news. What is next?
Now we talk about the delivery. Do you want fast delivery? We have 2 options.
Is fast delivery very expensive? I have $30.
The fast way is more money, but it is very quick.
How fast is the plane?
The plane takes 3 days. It is very reliable.
That is very fast. What is the slow way?
The slow way takes 3 weeks. It goes on a ship.
My friend wants his books now. He is waiting.
Then you should choose the plane. It is better for a gift.
Okay, let us use the fast plane. I have enough money.
Good choice, Tom. Your friend will be happy.
Can I see where the box is?
Yes, you have a tracking number. You can see it online.
I like my phone and the internet. It is very modern.
Our system is also modern. It is very easy to use.
That is amazing. Do I get a sticker for the box?
Yes, I have a red sticker. Red means very fast.
The red sticker looks cool. I like the color.
The workers see the red color. They work fast for you.
That is very smart. I like this system.
You are a smart man, Tom. Now we write the address.
I am ready to write. I have a pen.
Please use my black pen. It is a very good pen.
Thank you, Sarah. I will be very careful.
Let us start with the name. Please write the name here. Use big letters.
I am writing Peter Miller. Is it clear?
Yes, it is very clear. Now write the street and house.
The street is Green Road. The number is 42.
I know Green Road. It is a very pretty street.
Yes, there are many trees. Peter likes the trees.
Now write the city. The city is London.
I am writing London now. I am very slow.
Slow is good. Your handwriting is very neat.
Thank you. I want the postman to read it.
Now we need the postal code. It is very important.
I have the code on my phone. It is a short code.
Yes, the robots read the code. They sort the mail.
You have robots? That is very cool.
Yes, we have many robots. They work all night.
I love science. It makes life easy.
Now write your name too. Write it at the bottom.
This is my address, right?
Yes, it is for the return, but we are always safe.
I am finished. The label looks perfect.
You did a great job. It is very easy to read.
I am proud of my work. I hope Peter likes it.
I am sure he will. You are a good friend.
Thank you, Sarah. What is the next step?
Now you can choose some stamps. Do you want some stamps? We have many colors.
Yes, I want to see them. Do you have birds?
I love the bird stamps. They are very beautiful.
Show me the owl stamps. Owls are very smart.
Look at these owls. They are small and colorful.
They are very beautiful. I will take 2 owls.
We also have stamps with spaceships. Do you like space?
Space is okay, but I like nature more.
I agree. Nature is very pretty.
How many stamps for London?
You need 3 stamps. They are for international mail.
I am putting them on the box. They look like art.
It is a small masterpiece. Many people collect stamps.
I had a collection when I was a boy.
That is a very nice hobby. It is very peaceful.
Maybe I will start again. It is very fun.
You should. We have new stamps every month.
Do you have flower stamps? My mother likes flowers.
Yes, we have red roses. They are very elegant.
I will buy some for her too. I want to surprise her.
You are a very kind son. Your mother is happy.
Thank you. I like to make her smile.
It is a pleasure to help you, Tom. You are nice.
You're nice too, Sarah. This is a good day.
Now, do you want a postcard? Look at the postcards here. They are near the stand.
They are very pretty. I see a sunset here.
That is our park. It is a very big park.
I will buy this postcard. It is for my sister.
Where does your sister live?
She lives in Canada. It is very cold there.
She will like the sunset. It is a warm picture.
I am writing a message now. I miss my sister.
Write, I miss you. It is a sweet message.
Yes, she will smile. She likes my messages.
Do I need a big stamp?
No, a small stamp is fine. It is cheap.
Postcards are very good gifts. They are simple.
I always send postcards when I travel.
That is a good tradition. It keeps people together.
I have a blue stamp. It is my favorite color.
It looks good on the card. Blue is a calm color.
I am sticking it on now. It is finished.
Very good. Do you have everything now?
Yes, the box and the postcard are ready.
Great. Now we go to the payment.
I have my wallet in my pocket.
Do you have cash or a card?
I have my blue bank card. It is fast.
Okay, let us go to the machine. The total is $20. Is that okay?
Yes, that is a good price. I am ready.
Blue is your favorite color. Your card is blue too.
You are right. I love blue very much.
Please tap your card here, on the black machine.
I am tapping it now. Did it work?
Yes, the payment is finished. It was very fast.
Technology is amazing. I have my receipt.
Thank you, Tom. Keep the receipt in your wallet.
Do I need a bag for the stamps?
No, I have a big pocket. I am okay.
Everything is ready now. I am very happy.
Your parcel is sent. It goes to London tonight.
That is very efficient. I like this office.
We work hard for our customers. You are important.
Thank you for your help. You are a great worker.
It was my pleasure. You are very polite.
I try to be a good person. Kindness is important.
Your box is ready for the plane. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Sarah. You were very helpful today.
It was nice to meet you. Come back soon.
I will come back. I have more gifts to send.
We have many stamps for you. We are always here.
The sun is going down. The sky is orange.
It is a beautiful sunset. It looks like a painting.
I am walking home now. The air is cold.
Be careful on the road. The cars are fast.
I will be careful. I am a safe person.
Say hello to London for me. I hope Peter is happy.
I will tell him about you. You are a good friend.
Goodbye, Tom. I wish you the best.
Goodbye, Sarah. I am waving to you.